Ay, so save ka sa kung nasaan butangan? Ay,
You've seen me try, you've seen me break, you've seen.
So I ordered the tools, brand name Tolsen, and I ordered it from LAZADA, and they said it's an original one. The price is just fair enough, and as I can see, the tools are really good. And talking about Tolsen Tools, they focus on making professional quality and hand tools and really interrelated hardware products. These products are all strictly controlled in every step during designing, producing, packing, and quality controlling process. I believe that the quality tools refer to the usability, efficiency, and performance. Different from the other brands, let's see, but they're good. They're really good. So this full set comes with one piece 2-component ratchet handle and 18 pieces CRV standard metric sockets, which is from 10 to 32 mm. Then 4 pieces CRV deep metric sockets, universal joints, extension bars, 3-way adapters, spark plug sockets, CRV adapter, 38 mm, and 2-component ratchet, which is the other one. And there are a lot more. You can see all the sliding bar, a flexible bar, a socket handle, and all of this comes with one full set, and there's a lot more. These tools is really very useful. And as far as my review in this brand, I really like it and I'm really happy. So full review is excellent, and thank you so much guys for watching.